In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a Material Outward Issue in Kloud. In order to create this, we will navigate to the Transactions tab, and then click Material Outward Issue. To begin entering details for your Material Outward Issue, click the New button. A pop-up window will appear in which multiple return type will be displayed. In this, you need to select one option on which your Material Outward Issue will be based, that is returnable, non-returnable, annexure or against gate entry. In my case, I'm selecting returnable, on which my Material Outward Issue will be based. The very first blank on the form asks to enter the current location of your material. Click on Party and Damp. Press F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the party. Now, select the issue type. In the drop-down list, you need to select one option to define your issue type, that is for job work outward, delivery challen or samples. In my case, I'm selecting for job work outward, on which my issue type will be defined. Furthermore, click on the item ID and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the item. Here, all details regarding the item's data are displayed. Now, the user must enter the issue quantity, rate of the material. Here, amount will be automatically calculated and generated in the form. Next, click on the Batch Details button. A pop-up window will appear. In this, your issue quantity will be displayed as needed quantity. Press the F2 button. In this lookup, all these batches will appear which we had created in the store receipt. Choose the batch in which your quantity will be visible and select the batch. Click on the Submit button. Now, click the More section and fill in the required details. Click the Inward Item section. Here, item will be visible where job work is applied to the Material Outward item. Press the F2 button. In this lookup, select the inward item. It can be the same or different. Here, all details regarding the item's data are displayed. Now, the user must enter the issue quantity and need by date of the material. At last, saving all the above mentioned details will lead us to successfully complete our Material Outward Issue. Furthermore, if you wish to change the Material Outward Issue, click the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Note, if the user changes the quantity, then the batch quantity must be changed to match it, or else the validation will occur. You can now find the Material Outward Issue by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Record saved successfully.